What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carpenter Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are doing the spark plugs today, but let's go ahead and get a cold start. Oh yeah. So as you can see, this is the spark plugs we're using today. Got all 6 of them. NGK, so you know, a genuine part. You know, I'm always running late, but I gotta let this car warm up. Little pull. Ooh. EQ sound good, man. She sound real good. Can we make this light? Can we make this light? I need to make this light. I read it late. Oh, I forgot the $5 too. So we just pulled up to the shop right now, trying to find some part, but he just pulled out, so I'm gonna take his. G06 sounding good. I missed the startup, but it is what it is. Back of this car, wow. That's the best part, looking at the back of this car. Engine cover off.
This is the easy side.
The easiest part?
No, the easy side right here.
Oh, that's not gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a lot of shit in the way. Is it a bad spark plug?
Yeah, you got oil.
I got oil in there?
Not like on the inside, but probably what you have to do is gonna be your valve cover gaskets and the spark plug tube seals.
Oh, okay. That was some bad news, y'all.
1 to 3 dry. See all the oil?
Oh yeah. Damn.
It's not like inside this part, like in the inside, you know what I mean? But it's like, it's just like when you do the valve covers, you gotta just replace the spark plug tube seals.
Got a little bit of oil on the spark plug, like you said, man. So Looks like I'll be doing that repair next. You gotta go back.
Electric grease. Because they don't have nothing.
Oh yeah, it's all dry.
Just a little tiny bit. Make sure they're all good. Yeah. Like bolts like this, you gotta start them by hand first. Then you can, use the electric tools or whatever you're trying to use. Right now, it's gonna get paint. One with magnet, so we don't drop the.
So don't drop the bolt.
Yeah, baby, that look. Two. Three. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it.
He said this side is the hardest. Watching him, see why.
One. Two.
I'm gonna have to do another valve cover and gasket repair, so I'm looking on Z1. Let's see. Sheesh. It's gonna be expensive repair, man, but I gotta do it, man. I ain't trying to mess up this engine. I'm trying to keep it going for a long time, so now I've seen all this, I might have to order with it, so pretty much like $500 of parts, and then I don't know, I'm gonna see how much it charges the labor later. seems like the ones on the end is really leaking bad. See, look at the oil, as y'all can see, and the spark plug. So I'm gonna definitely have to get this fixed right away. I ain't playing about this. Looks like he's all done now, so be on the way. So as you can see, we back in the G35. See, the G35 is all done. I check engine lights because he is a good mechanic or technician. So if y'all ever in the Concord area and y'all want your car to get done, he does alignments, he does brakes, he does all that. As you can see, spark plugs, all that. So go ahead and stop by City Alignment of Concord. Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. And I just got the price from him as well. He charging me $480 for labor, which is really good because I really thought it was gonna be more expensive than that. Especially if I went to a dealership, it was gonna be way more expensive, but I'm kind of happy about that. So, and that will be another vlog for y'all. When I get that done, I'll be recording the whole process and everything else, so y'all be able to see that. So look forward to that. So now I'm about to go to Infiniti and I'm about to go see about getting some parts. I'm about to look on Z1 Motorsports as well, like I was just showing y'all, but I'm gonna just do a price comparison and see, you know, what they price is and stuff like that, because I'm always like that. I'm weird, so I got to make sure I get these parts within the next 2 weeks because that's when my appointment is. So I'm going to be ordering parts today no matter what. So I gotta do that. Gotta make sure the G35 is running nice, man. Can't have this all sloppy, you know what I'm saying? Can't be no sloppy car owner. I ain't sloppy like that. So I got some bad news. Their system is down, so they wasn't able to give me no type of part cost whatsoever. So she said she'll call me, but I'll be in this area tomorrow, so I'll probably swing by tomorrow and I'll try to figure out if their system is up, because I need to be up because I need these parts within the next 2 weeks. Anyways, my battery is finna die on this GoPro, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned on to the next video. Stay tuned on to the vlogs. Like I said, man, I'm dropping nothing but fire on this channel, and if y'all could do me a favor, especially for this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that. Go crazy. Watch the whole entire video. I hope you guys made it to this part without skipping, and don't skip them ads for me, because as y'all can see, I'm getting ready to spend a lot of money, man. We finna, you know, start working on the G37, getting that right, and then we're getting this car right, getting all the maintenance done for this car and stuff like that. So you see we working, we see I'm grinding, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to provide the best Infiniti content for y'all, something that's not out there on YouTube, and I'm just trying to go crazy, man. So with all that being said, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I thank you guys for watching this video. I'm out. Peace.
Popping and dropping, she rocket top, it's no stopping. Got me deep in